I read your recent email autoresponder. You are traveling. You will have limited or no access to email. And here's who I should call if I need immediate assistance. If that's what yours says, you've got a lame-ass autoresponder, and I'm going to tell you why and what to do about it. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Rod Burkert, and welcome to my Practice Development Corner, the place where business valuation professionals like you come to learn how to turn the practice they have into the practice they want. So my last email newsletter went out a week ago on July 4th. I got about 60 email autoresponders from people who said they were out of the office. I read every one. Here are some of the ramblings and my thoughts on them. I will have limited or no access to email. Really? I travel full-time in an RV and always have access to email. You offer your phone number as an alternative to reaching you. If you can take a phone call or can access voicemail, you can get and respond to an email. You are traveling out of the country. Many countries have better internet access than the United States. So unless you're off to climb Mount Everest, if you need immediate assistance, email or call this person. Hey, if I need immediate assistance, it's because we didn't huddle before you took off. I apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you for understanding. Look, there's being polite, and then there's begging for forgiveness. All of this phraseology has two problems. Number one, you have trained your clients that you respond instantly to their emails. And God forbid, if you can't get back to them immediately, you feel like you owe them an excuse. Number two, if there could be an emergency in some matters you are working on, you didn't think the clients were important enough to touch base with before you left. Not good. Here's what to do instead. First, be freaking honest. Just say you won't be checking email while you're gone. Not that you can't, or that you will have limited access, or that you will be traveling out of the country. You don't need to provide a reason. Just let them know that you'll respond when you get back. Second, be proactive. If there are potential hand grenades in the projects you are working on, call those clients before you leave for Kathmandu. They would much rather hear from you before you leave than receive a surprise autoresponder after you're gone. Sound like a plan? Will you please change your email autoresponder? Great. That's it for this episode. Let me know what you think by taking just a few seconds to like, comment on, or share this video. Thanks for tuning in.